All right, this lesson is on the human body systems. Now, we talked about the levels of organization in our bodies. Remember that the basic unit of life is cells, and then cells will make up tissues. Tissues make up organs, and some of our organs make up organ systems, and that is what we're going to talk about today. And then all of these organ systems, these body systems, work together to make us, organisms. All right, so the first system we're going to talk about is the integumentary system. This is, I call it the skin system, but it's more than skin. Its job is to protect our body from damage. It's the first level of defense. This consists of our skin, the hair in our skin, our nails, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. And if you look at this picture, our skin is not, well, it is skin, but it's very complex. Look at all of the stuff that is located in your skin. Isn't that crazy? So the integumentary system protects our body from damage. First level of defense. The second system is our nervous system. So this is consisting of the brain, the spinal cords, and the nerves. This system tells our body what to do pretty much. The brain is the control center. Without our brain and without the nerve signals going through our body, nothing else would work. The endocrine system, whenever you think of the endocrine system, think of the collection of glands that secrete hormones. And you can look at some of those glands here, the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, etc. These are things that secrete hormones. That's your key word for this system. Then you have the excretory system. Don't get the two E's mixed up. You can think of the excretory system as excreting waste. So this actually includes some other systems as well. So anything that excretes, that lets go of waste, is considered under the excretory system. So the skin, okay, we release sweat. Our lungs excrete carbon dioxide. Our kidneys, that is involved with the urinary system and the large intestines. All these things that excrete waste, that let go of things in our body that we don't need, we don't need carbon dioxide, so we get rid of it. All right, immune system. This is the body's defense against foreign substances and infectious organisms. So this is what pretty much fights off things that aren't supposed to be in our body. Sometimes when we get sick, that's our immune system at work. It's trying to get rid of the things that we don't need, our body does not like. If you notice, one of the things in the immune system is the lymph nodes. If you notice ever your neck, like right under your jaw, getting swollen when you don't feel good, that's because you have a whole bunch of white blood cells, a part of the immune system, that are attacking things that should not be there, and your lymph nodes will actually swell because of them fighting off diseases. All right, you have the lymphatic system, which also helps with the immune system in fighting off infections. Just like you have blood vessels, you have lymphatic vessels where lymph actually flows through. And I've got a very interesting story about the lymphatic system if you ask me about it. Okay, your reproductive system. This is the collection of organs that work together for the purpose of reproducing. So this is how humans make more humans, because we have this reproductive system. All right, the cardiovascular system. Now, the way you can remember this is if you can think of cardio means heart. So whenever you're running and you're getting some exercises and your blood is pumping, your heart is beating really fast, and that type of exercise where you're getting your heart pumping is called cardio. And vascular actually means like your vessels. So the job of the cardiovascular system is to circulate blood throughout the body. This consists of your heart and the blood vessels. Cardiovascular. All right, the cardiovascular system works very closely along with the respiratory system. This is the system where your lungs are going to absorb oxygen that we need and release carbon dioxide. So it works together with the cardiovascular system because the respiratory system is going to get that oxygen, But then the blood and the cardiovascular system, the blood vessels are going to carry the oxygen through the rest of our body. Next system is the skeletal system. This system is the whole reason that we're not a pile of mush, okay? This provides a frame that supports and protects other body parts. So we have this support system that keeps us held up, as well as protecting other organs like the heart and the lungs. Our bones protect that, the skeletal system. All right, skeletal system also works very closely along with the muscular system to help us move. This consists of our muscles. Then you have the digestive system. Love this system because it allows me to eat all of the delicious food, and it's going to break it down and send the nutrients, well, working along with the cardiovascular system to send the nutrients to where they need to be sent. But this breaks down food. And it includes the esophagus, which is this right here, the stomach, which is probably what you think of when you think of digesting food, and as well as the small intestine and large intestine. All right, then the last one we're going to talk about is the urinary system. The urinary system job is to produce and is going to store in the bladder and eliminate fluid waste.